Money doesn't make you rich, this does. They say money solves all problems, but why do so many lottery winners end up broke? Why do celebrities file for bankruptcy? Here's the truth. Money doesn't make you rich. Knowledge does. In this video, we'll break down how to build true wealth, from mindset to money habits to smart investing. If you're tired of feeling stuck financially, this video will open your eyes. Number 1, the financial trap. Let's start with the trap most people fall into. You go to school, get a job, earn a paycheck, pay bills, and repeat for 40 years. It's called the rat race. But here's the kicker, earning more doesn't always mean you'll keep more. Because if you don't control your money will control you. Think about this. 78% of workers live paycheck to paycheck. Most Americans can't cover a $1,000 emergency. And the average credit card debt is over $6,000. The system isn't designed to make you rich. It's designed to keep you comfortable enough not to question it. Number 2, rich versus wealthy. So what's the difference between being rich and being wealthy? Being rich is about how much you earn. Being wealthy is about how much you keep and how long you can survive without working. In short, rich, high income, high expenses. Wealthy, smart income, low expenses, passive cash flow. A doctor making $300,000 but spending $295,000 a year isn't wealthy. A minimalist earning $80,000 with investments paying them monthly is. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to buy freedom. Number 3, money mindset shift. Your money mindset is the foundation. If you believe money is evil, I'm bad with money, I'll never be rich, then your subconscious will find ways to prove you right. But if you flip the script to money is a tool for freedom, I can learn how to manage and grow it, I deserve abundance, you start making different decisions. Remember, you don't rise to your goals. You fall to your systems. Change your mindset, build better habits, create new results. Number 4, the 3 buckets of wealth. If you want to grow your wealth, think in 3 buckets. 1. Earn. Increase your income through high-value skills, side hustles, or freelancing. Leverage the internet, AI tools, remote work, opportunities are endless today. 2. Save and budget. Use the 50/30/20 rule. 50% needs. 30% wants. 20% savings and investments. Use tools like Inab, Mint, or a simple spreadsheet. Automate savings. Don't rely on willpower. 3. Invest. This is where money works for you. Stock market, ETFs, index funds. Real estate. Online businesses or content. Even small amounts compound over time. Remember, compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. Number 5, the 5 rules of smart money. If you follow these 5 rules, your financial life will change. Live below your means. Spend less than you earn. Avoid bad debt. Avoid debt on things that don't make money. Pay yourself first. Save before you spend. Not the other way around. Invest early and often. Time is your greatest asset. Start now, even if it's $10 a week. Keep learning. Financial literacy isn't a one-time lesson. It's a lifelong game. Every wealthy person you admire follows these. Why not you? Number 6, final mindset shift. Here's something nobody tells you. Money doesn't change who you are. It magnifies who you already are. If you're disciplined, generous, and smart with $100, you'll multiply that at $1,000, $10,000, and beyond. You don't need a 6-figure income to become wealthy. You need discipline, a plan, and patience. If you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs to hear this. Comment below. What's one financial rule you live by, or want to start applying today? Remember, wealth is built quietly. In small decisions. Every day. Start now, and thank yourself later.